Escape to Ocho Rios' newest community, a tranquil oasis nestled just 10 minutes from the vibrant resort town. This exclusive development offers a serene, elevated lifestyle in the cool hills of Beecher town, boasting spectacular panoramic views of Ocho Rios. Discover your dream home among our selection of beautifully designed 2- and 3-bedroom residences. Every home is part of a secure, gated community with 24-hour security, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Experience a life of leisure with an array of premium amenities, including a well-appointed clubhouse for social gatherings and events, pristine tennis courts for recreation and exercise, a dedicated swimming pool for relaxation and fun, a children's playground to keep the little ones entertained, convenient on-site restaurants for dining without leaving the community, a community basic school for easy access to education. This new community combines the convenience and proximity to Ocho Rios with the peace and security of a private, exclusive setting. Let's take a look inside. Price for this one is JMD $35,048,200. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.